Hey guys, this is Sergeant Kevin Watson, Noble Cop, and back at you with another video. Alright, so I'm actually traveling right now. I'm abroad. I won't tell you where I am, but I assisted the FBI with an investigation with regards to a US national, and so I'm required to be in a federal court matter here. Yeah, it is fraud related. It is definitely lottery scam related, you know me. But this particular video is to big up one of my viewers, Sammygold. Sammygold did a song, one of the biggest songs of 2018. You know, love the song, but and I just want to say I love my supporters. I love my Jamaican people who support the fight against crime and violence, who support law enforcement, you know. And Sammygold is one of those persons, right? So I'm going to let you guys hear this song and tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you don't think that this is a big song, 2018. So here it goes, guys. Big up Sammygold.
Police siren, that's how you know Sergeant Watson is coming. The double cop is coming. The noble cop be my come. Sergeant Watson a come. Scammer boy, you are going down. The noble cop be my come. Sergeant Watson a come. Scammer boy, you are going down. Sergeant Watson a come for the scammer. Come fi take the scammer them to the slammer. The noble cop is hot on your trail. Scammer boy, you are going to jail. Sergeant Watson a come fi the scammer. Come fi take the scammer them to the slammer. The noble cop is hot on your trail. Scammer boy, you are going to jail. Them a scam people each and every day. You hard earn cash, they want to take it away. Scammer think say them smart, but enough of them get caught by the noble cop. The scamming thing and the increase, so hit the warning me say from the police. Watch your life saving. The scammer them will take everything. Them a scam people on the internet. You hard earn cash, they are out to get. Scam your money, buy house and car, and turn you in a pauper. Every scammer one day have to face justice. You're going to get a raid, me say from the police. Commit the crime, you're going to do hard time. Sergeant Watson a come for the scammer. Come for take the scammer them to the slammer. The noble cop him a come. There is no way to run. The noble cop is not joking. Coming down hard and they scamming. When you hear the siren, you know the noble cop is surely coming. You never hear say crime doesn't pay. Jailhouse you are going today. No make sense cry. No people life the scammer destroy. The scammer them wicked and sly. To get your money them a tell you enough lie. But you win the lottery, what all them after is your money. Sergeant Watson a come for the scammer. Come for take the scammer them to the slammer. The noble cop is hot on your trail. Scammer boy, you are going to jail.
You see the house and the car and all the jewelry you get from scamming. You are going to jail and you're going to lose everything. So crime doesn't pay. Jailhouse you're going to there. You're going to jail.
The noble cop him a come. Sergeant Watson a come. Scammer you're going down.
Scammer boy, you're going to jail. But you have scam people money and I live nice life. You're going to jail. You're going to pay for your crime.